Welcome to Echo Speak English. Have you ever just stared at a blank email, totally unsure how to start? Well, today we're going to break down the simple rules for writing professional emails that actually get results.
It's a common worry, right? We all want to make a good impression. But don't you worry, by the end of this quick guide, you're going to be writing with total confidence.
And that's the key, right there. How you start and how you end your email is a huge deal. It sets the tone for the entire message and it shows respect. So let's make sure you get them right every time.
Okay, let's dive right in. We're going to start with greetings. Now, the big thing to remember is that the right greeting really depends on how formal the situation is.
So this one is for your most formal emails. You're going to use Dear Mr. or Dear Miss with the person's last name when you're doing something like applying for a job, writing to a really important client for the first time, or maybe even contacting a government office. It shows a very high level of respect.
But what does formal really mean? Let's break it down. Formal is for situations that are, well, they're serious, they're important, or they're official. A job interview, for example, that's a very formal situation.
Awesome. Let's try it out. Just repeat after me. Dear Mr. Alfad. Perfect. See the pattern? It's Dear, then the title like Mr., and then the family name. It's a classic for a reason.
Okay, but what about all the other emails, the ones you write every day at work? Get this, there is one simple greeting that is the perfect choice for about 90% of those situations.
And here it is, just hi, followed by the person's first name. What's so great about this one is that hi has become the new standard. It's friendly, but it's still professional. It's pretty much perfect for most of your daily emails to colleagues or even clients that you already have a relationship with.
Let's practice this one too. Repeat after me. Hi, Sultan. See how that feels? Using the first name just creates this warm, friendly vibe right away. It's modern and efficient.
All right, now for a problem that trips a lot of people up. What do you write when you have no idea who you're emailing? You don't know their name. This can be super tricky.
Okay, first things first. Avoid writing to whom it may concern. It sounds really old-fashioned and honestly a little bit cold. Instead, try to be just a little more specific. If you're writing to the sales department, you can say, Dear Sales Team. If it's for a job, use Dear Hiring Manager. It just shows you put in a little bit of effort, and that makes a much better impression.
Awesome! So now that we've got the start of the email figured out, let's talk about the perfect way to end one. The closing you pick should always match the message and, of course, the greeting you used at the beginning.
So I've got 3 fantastic choices for you. The safest, most all-purpose option is best regards. You can almost never go wrong with that. Now, if you're asking for something or someone helped you, thank you is a really powerful choice. And for those very formal emails, the ones that started with Dear Mr. Smith, you'll want to end with sincerely.
And this is a huge tip you'll want to remember. When you ask for something in an email, ending it with thank you actually makes the other person more likely to respond and help you out. A little gratitude goes a long, long way.
All right, we have covered a lot of ground. So let's put it all together in a super simple guide that'll help you remember all the most important points. Check out this simple chart. Think of it as your quick cheat sheet. For most of your emails, just start with hi and end with best regards. For those really formal situations, you'll use Dear Mr. or Miss and close it out with sincerely. And of course, when you're asking for something, using thank you is a great move. Easy, right?
You know, the absolute best way to get comfortable with this is to just do it. So in your very next email, I want you to try using one of these new phrases. It's the fastest way to build the habit and boost your confidence.
And that's it. I hope this helps you feel way more confident the next time you click Compose. For more quick and useful lessons just like this one, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.